How to encrypt a database password in a Plesk backup. Log in to your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface, click the Backup Manager icon. Click the Remote Storage Settings option button. The password protection for backup is disabled. Click on the Change option. Click to check the box for password protection and enter the password in the password input boxes. Now click the OK button. That's it. The password protection for the backup database has been enabled. Thank you for watching.